Earth Explorers. Welcome back to Quiz with Jenny. Today, we're taking you on a wild journey around planet Earth, with some of the most mind-blowing and fun facts you've never heard. Think you know everything about our incredible planet? From scorching deserts to icy continents, and from hidden mountain peaks to underwater giants, this quiz will put your Earth knowledge to the test. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. Which continent is so big, it could fit Europe inside it twice? Africa, Asia, Antarctica. Asia. Asia is enormous. Imagine squeezing Europe in there, twice. Which ocean is so deep that, if you dropped Mount Everest into it, it would still be covered in water? Atlantic, Pacific, Indian. Pacific. Everest underwater? Now that's deep. Quick guess, what percentage of Earth's surface is water? 50%, 71%, 85%. 71%. That's a lot of water. No wonder we call it the blue planet. Ready for a long ride? Which river is the longest in the world? Nile, Amazon, Yangtze. Nile. The Nile just keeps going and going. Imagine traveling down that river. What gas makes up most of the air you breathe? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen. Surprise. We breathe mostly nitrogen, not oxygen. Can you guess the age of the Earth? 4.5 million years. 4.5 billion years. 1 billion year. $4.5 billion years. 4.5 billion years old and still going strong. Which layer of Earth is so hot it's actually liquid? Crust, mantle, outer core. Outer core. That's a molten layer of heat. What's taller than the clouds and touches the sky? Mount Everest. K2. Kilimanjaro. Mount Everest. Nothing beats the top of the world. Can you name the biggest desert on Earth? Hint, it's not in Africa. Sahara, Gobi, Antarctic. Antarctic desert. Cold, dry, and massive. Who knew the biggest desert is covered in ice? Ready for more? What was the name of the ancient supercontinent that had all the land squished together? Gondwana, Pangaea, Laurasia. Pangaea. Imagine all the continents squeezed together, one giant landmass. Tiny but mighty. What's the smallest country in the world? Monaco, Vatican City, Luxembourg. Vatican City, the smallest country with a big history. Which romantic river flows through the heart of Paris? Seine, Thames, Danube. Seine, perfect for a lovely boat ride through Paris. Let's float to the next question. How many tectonic plates is Earth split into? 5, 12, more than 15. More than 15. No wonder Earth's always shifting. What's the driest place on Earth, where it rains less than 1 inch a year? Atacama Desert, Sahara Desert, Death Valley. Atacama Desert. Barely any rain. Could you survive in a place that dry? What's the most common type of rock found on Earth? Granite, Basalt. Limestone. Basalt. It's everywhere. From the sea floor to volcanic islands, basalt is king. Rock on to the next question. Where do we live, Earth's core, crust, or mantle? Core, crust, mantle. Crust. That's right, we're living on the crust. How long does it take for the Earth to spin around once? 24 hours, 12 hours, 48 hours. 24 hours, one full spin, and it's a brand new day. Which of these is Earth's closest planetary neighbor? Mars, Venus, Mercury. Venus. Hello neighbor, Venus is right next door. Let's see if you're ready for the next cosmic question. Guess Earth's diameter. It's like measuring the middle of a huge pizza. 12,742 kilometers. 14,500 kilometers. 10,800 kilometers. 12,742 kilometers. That's one massive pizza. Which ocean is shrinking every year, while other oceans get bigger? Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Yep, the Pacific is shrinking. Oceans are always on the move. Which continent is known as the frozen continent? Antarctica, North America, Asia. Antarctica. Antarctica is so cold, it's hard to believe anything could live there. Which is the only continent without any deserts? Europe, Australia, Africa. Europe. That's right, Europe. No deserts here, just beautiful landscapes. Let's head to the next one. Which part of the Earth's surface is the hottest? Sahara Desert, Death Valley, Ute Desert. Ute Desert. The Ute Desert can reach temperatures over 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. That's scorching. What percentage of Earth's species are still undiscovered? 10%, 50%, 86%. 86%. Mind-blowing, right? So many species out there we haven't met yet. Which is the only country named after a tree? Brazil, Canada, India. Brazil. Brazil is named after the Brazil wood tree. Which country has the most volcanoes in the world? Japan, USA, Indonesia. Indonesia. With over 130 active volcanoes, Indonesia takes the crown. Let's see if you're fired up for the next one. Which planet in the solar system is Earth's twin because of its similar size and gravity? Mars, Venus, Jupiter. Venus. Venus might look like Earth's twin, but it's much hotter. What's the largest living structure on Earth, visible even from space? Great Barrier Reef, Amazon rainforest, Himalayas. Great Barrier Reef. A reef so big you can see it from space. Imagine all the marine life there. Which desert holds the record for the hottest temperature ever recorded? Gobi, Death Valley, Sahara. Death Valley. A record-breaking 56.7 degrees Celsius, 134 degrees Fahrenheit, in Death Valley. What is the name of Earth's largest mountain by volume, located under the sea? Mauna Loa. Mount Everest. K2. Mauna Loa. Hidden under the ocean, Mauna Loa is massive. Thanks for exploring with us, Earth Adventurers. How many questions did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, and let us know which fact surprised you the most. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the journey, and subscribe for more quizzes that'll take you across the universe and beyond. Thank you for watching, explorers. See you in the next quiz.